Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of the Driver's Apex. Today's about the M3. M3 finally is getting a new windshield, and it's not a Safe Light or aftermarket, anything like that. It is indeed a BMW windshield. That's what it deserves. That's what it's going to get. So I'm going to film the install process. I hope you enjoy. If you are new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. The windshield is done. So the installer did a fantastic job. He was super kind, super professional. He allowed me to film. I'm super grateful for that. Did fantastic work. I highly recommend them. I'll put a link in the description of the company that installed the glass. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit for 48 hours. So he recommended up to 24. Definitely no car washing, anything like that. I'm going to lower the windows, let the car sit, because I don't want anything to happen to this windshield. It looks really, really good. So I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you real quick.